Pretty sure it's raining right now. Yo, what is it, boys? It's another night. You guys seen this place before? I think I made a video here. Yeah, I did, like 2 weeks ago. But we are back with the Genesis Coupe, and we're gonna go hit the gym. Usually I make these videos after the gym, like a little drive through after the gym. But today we're on a tight schedule, so I might as well record myself driving to the gym, right? We got microfiber from the house. Had to clean these. Put these back in the trunk for now, but put these here. Oh, these big towels, bro. These big towels come in so clutch, bro. Easiest way to wipe it off after car wash. See another car coming. Wonder who it is. Maybe this guy over here. He's turning the other way. Anyways, though, yeah, you know, quick little drive straight to the gym. I think I might get a protein latte from like Tim Hortons, because Tim's is like very nice in Canada. This is in Canada, by the way. So we're gonna get a Tim's latte on the way. I never tried it before. I've heard mixed opinions about it. We'll figure it out. Start this cold start. Cold start day. Today's lunch still in the car. I'm gonna throw this out at the gym. Water, it's okay, we'll keep that. I need to do some housekeeping in the car, man. It's dirty. It's dirty, bro. Make sure it's in neutral. Let go of the clutch. Started. I mean, I did take it to work, so it's not that much of a cold start, but it is kind of loud. Yeah, still need to fix this. I keep saying I need to fix this and never fix it, but it's just popping out. I might just end up like cutting it over here, because I don't know if I can pop it back in. I think I can. There we go. It's gonna come out. Watch, like by the time we come out from the gym, it's gonna come out, bro. But yeah, I'm thinking about blacking out the housing on these taillights. I mean my headlights. Just black out the chrome. I don't know how it would look. And damn, it's a little dusty. I might just go for some light smoke tint on the front. I did see some Jennies do it. I think it looks pretty cool. Might try that in the future. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna do a mesh grill over here too. I know I think I talked about it in one of the videos, but I did want to do it at first, but then I didn't, because I ended up blacking out the silver lining. But it's okay. Like this silver lining right here, me and my boy, we wrapped this silver lining, made it black, blacked it out, kept the chrome logo, because I will get chrome wheels. That's pretty much it. Let's see if she's I think we're ready to go. Oh yeah, nah, she's warm. Oh shit, there's a car coming. He heard me, that's why he hogged. I don't know if you guys heard the honk, but he hogged. Wake up the turbo a little. Man, I can't wait to get a tune, bro. I keep saying this every video, yes, I know. And I keep saying that, I keep saying this every video, yes, I know, but I can't wait, bro. Oh, it's raining, so the floor is wet. I'm losing traction, bro. Well, it's gonna be a nice POV at least. It's raining in Canada, man. Raining in Toronto streets. You guys can see the POV. Oh, that's the cop. I shouldn't have done that, bro. I'm gonna slow down right here. I mean, I don't think he cares. He's at a shift now, bro. I'm still not gonna risk it, bro. These cops, they do not care. I love driving in the rain, bro. But since it's rear-wheel drive, it's not the best for me. But it's okay, we'll thug it out. Damn. looks so nice when it rains, man. It's like 4K graphics. Yes, I'm a computer geek, guys. First stop, before going to the gym, we're gonna get some Tims, because it's a Canadian thing. Get some Tims. I'm gonna try that protein thing out, and then we're gonna drive to the gym. Probably gonna chill out in the car for a bit, but that's where I'll end the video. And yeah, on the way to the gym, you know, I'll do some pops and bangs. Oh, I don't think I can do pops and bangs today. I filled up on 90, 91 at petrol too. I usually get pops and bangs when I fill up 93 at Shell, because I don't have a tune yet, right? 93 is the only way I get a big pop. 93 from Shell, but 91 from petrol. I mean, I think I can do it. I don't know. We'll see though. All these all-wheel drive guys are flooring here right now, bro. Oh my god, I almost stalled there. What the hell? No chance we're getting our windows down on this open road. All the water is gonna come in. I think there's a Tim's right here. Should be 24 hours too. Oh yeah, we good. Oh, that bump is brutal, bro. That hill is brutal. Should I take it? I'm taking it. Sorry, but I'm taking it left and right. Here we go. Oh, that being low. If I'm low, I am not coming here, bro. Just gonna go around the loop. Imagine I could drift that. That's not no Genesis. We cannot do that. That's more of a 350Z thing. To drift this corner, I don't think I could get that angle, man. It's not light enough. Well, they're gonna hear me rev my car through the drive-through. Like, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. No, that's all. Thank you. Can I take this? I take this. Bro, driving this thing in the rain is like driving a Mustang without fucking... Did he just smack? Oh, I think he just smacked. The hell? Like I said, driving this thing in the rain is like driving a Mustang without what? Without traction control. Yeah, that's what I meant. Oh, I'm losing traction, buddy. I don't know, because the sign's not showing up over here, but I can feel it in my rear tires. I'm like sliding it. I should not take my hands off the wheel, but like I'm sliding, bro, literally from the back wheels. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys saw that, bro. I was slithering like a snake. Holy moly. I bet it's very easy to drift right now, bro. I'm fighting every urge to just like drift in the rain right now, bro. got a tunnel coming up at least. Let's go, boys. Alright boys, guess what? So as soon as the tunnel came up, the video shut off because the camera got too hot. I told you guys it's humid in the car. That's why the camera just shut off. Don't worry, I got another tunnel lined up for us. We're gonna go there, come back through the same tunnel, take a right, go back into the other tunnels over there, do whatever. We'll do a quick lap and then I'll end up going to the gym. It's raining harder than it was before, so I don't know if you guys can even hear me over the raindrops. I think I should be good. Oh, the light isn't on no more. What the hell? That guy's just chilling, bro. Oh, yo, hold on, we'll come back around, bro. Am I even on the road? Yes, I am. Alright, we're coming back again. Crack open a few windows. There you go. Ready? Oh, damn, that was some lightning right there. Holy shit, that sounded amazing. That echo was so nice. Put the windows down a bit. Holy shit. Downshift. I don't think I can take a... Alright boys, I don't think I can take a UE from there, bro. I think that's around, that's much about it, man. Damn, the gym parking is actually empty, bro. Is it even on today? Yes, it is, right? To see how far back we're going. I think that's good. Alright though boys, I think this was a quick video. I can't really tell because the camera did shut off midway. Yeah, this was the weekly drives we always have in my Genesis Coupe 2.0 Turbo 2013. No tune yet, but full straight pipe exhaust with the intake, with the blow-up valve, GFB. I don't know, I just listed all my specs there, but yeah, that was the video. See you guys next week. Let me know in the comments what you guys want me to do, and make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys stayed till the end of the video. Thank you. Bye bye.